is PPN, the number one source for all things Philander Smith College media, academics, sports, exclusive stories. This is the place to be for anything PSC. This is the Panther Pride Network.
Hi, my name is Brianna Lewis, and I'm here today on the University of Central Arkansas's campus where they just received a $2.2 million grant used to address the shortages in the mental health profession. I had the pleasure of interviewing Ms. Heather Martin, the Associate Professor of Psychology here at University of Central Arkansas, and our very own Ms. Letitia Bell, the Department Chair for the Psychology Department at Philander Smith College.
This grant was part of a large budget allocation through the legislators at the federal level to meet mental health needs of kids in schools. And so we were lucky enough to be able to fund 4 fellows every year through the grant for 5 years. And our goal is for to have cohorts of about 9 or 10 students, and at least half of those students, we would like for those students to be students who are underrepresented in the field of school psychology. It is a training grant, so we are focused on how best to train students so that they can understand all the needs of students who come from underrepresented groups, and how we can be culturally responsive. And we really want to promote cultural humility.
So from the component of diversity, to be quite honest, that it is not a lot of mental health professionals that look like me. And so a lot of our children or that need that looks like me. And so that would be something that's beneficial overall.
We're partnering with Philander Smith in order to access more students who come from underrepresented groups in the area of school psychology, and to be able to mentor those students from their first year all the way to their senior year.
So it literally gives us a pipeline, a direct pipeline for our students to be great in graduate school. That's the plus.
Yep. One really nice thing about doing the undergraduate pathway and mentoring program is that we can kind of shepherd them through that graduate school application process, and they'll already know us when they come here to interview, so it won't feel as intimidating, hopefully.
This will give us a greater foundation to send or interested students to Heather to make sure that they're ready. So they actually get mentorship both ways, but also just making sure that we stay on them, because of course I'm with them like every day, and then of course she'll meet with them and just make sure that the requirements are met. Having a community partnership is a vital key to the success for our institution, but as well for our students, with our students being at the forefront, of course.